There have been a lot of clouds that rolled in since yesterday. Yesterday was almost completely sunny outside, and now look. Almost complete darkness. And it looks like it's going to downpour any minute. Which is actually supposed to downpour today. Because it's supposed to downpour between today and next Friday. Friday. Which will probably bring about another 4 or 5 inches. So I wouldn't be surprised if that happened again. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird how it happens almost. It's kind of weird how downpours like this happen almost every single day. But I'm starting to get used to it because downpours almost every day. There's this downpour Tuesday and Wednesday. Now there's another one between today and Friday. Storm clouds over there. Storm clouds above us. Storm clouds over there. And the storm's in Philadelphia right now. So it'll be here soon.